YouTube's trending page is dead. Yeah, trending now pages were officially discontinued in July 2025. And if you've been on YouTube long enough, you know how important that page used to be. We'd jump in, see what's blowing up, figure out what the audience wanted, and that's where a lot of creators got their ideas to go viral. But now that it's dead, the question is, what do we do next? How do we keep up, find those winning ideas, and get our videos in front of people? Well, the good news is, we actually have something better, and it's way easier than relying on the old trending page. Thanks to AI, we can do the exact same thing. Spot trends, find content angles, and even boost our chances of going viral without all that guesswork. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, which AI tools you can use, and how they'll help you get results faster than ever. Alright, so now that the trending page is out of the picture, let's talk about why the old model stopped working in the first place. Back then, virality was simple. One global feed, everyone saw the same stuff, and if you landed there, boom, your video blew up overnight. But that's not how YouTube works anymore. The platform has shifted. Right now, the algorithm doesn't care about one size fits all. It's fully personalized. My feed looks nothing like yours, and your feed looks nothing like the person sitting next to you. That means there isn't just one viral video anymore. Virality looks different for every single viewer. And this is where the real shift happened, because the game isn't about chasing that single trending slot. It's about feeding the algorithm what your audience is most likely to click on. And this is exactly where AI comes in. Instead of guessing, instead of trying to copy what's popular for everyone, you can now use AI tools that literally break down what's working in your niche for your audience and help you amplify your reach on purpose, not by accident. Now, let's walk you through the new process, step by step, with the exact AI tools that can help you. Before you hit record, you need to know what to make. And for that, there's a tool called Spotter. Think of it like your personal creative studio. You connect it to your channel, it studies your past videos, what worked, what flopped, and then it suggests new video ideas, titles, and even storylines that are most likely to perform with your audience. We're not talking about random guesses. This is tested by big names like 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿, The Colin and Samir Show, and Dude Perfect. They've used it to plan videos that hit millions of views. So instead of staring at a blank page thinking, what should I post next? You open Spotter and it lays out ideas for you. And the price? Around $29 a month or $99 per year. For creators who want to grow consistently, that's like paying for a strategist sitting in your back pocket. Now, once you know what to make, you've got two options. Go the traditional way, hire an editor, spend hours in Premiere, or you let AI handle most of the heavy lifting. Tools like Runway's Gen 4 Turbo let you do next level stuff, generate consistent characters, change camera angles, even restyle entire scenes. It's like giving your footage a second life. You can also use Google Veo 3, released in May 2025, which can generate full video and even audio straight from a text prompt. Want a cinematic intro? Type it out and it builds it for you. These tools don't mean you stop being creative. They just cut hours of editing down to minutes, so you can focus on storytelling instead of scrubbing through timelines. Now, working on these tools is a whole nother process. It's pretty easy, but still, if you want a detailed video, then drop a comment below and we'll upload a detailed video about it in the future. Okay, let's imagine you've got a video ready. You've gone through the planning stage, you've created the content, maybe even edited it with the help of AI. Most people at this point just upload it straight to YouTube, cross their fingers, and hope the algorithm is kind to them. But honestly, that's where a lot of creators lose momentum, because publishing without optimization is like writing a great book but hiding it on the back shelf of a library with no title on the cover. Nobody finds it. So here's how I would actually optimize a video before publishing. Step 1 is about title and keywords. I take my working title and run with it through vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These two are like keyword coaches. vidIQ has a scoring system. It shows me how searchable my title is, how competitive it is, and whether anyone is even looking for that phrase. TubeBuddy does the same, but also gives related keywords that might perform better. Let's say my title is AI Tools for YouTube 2025. vidIQ might tell me it's too broad and suggest something like Top AI Tools to Grow on YouTube in 2025. That's sharper, has more search intent, and instantly promises value. Next up is about thumbnail. This is where a lot of creators struggle because a thumbnail isn't just a picture, it's the billboard for your video. Inside vidIQ and TubeBuddy, you can actually test thumbnails. They'll show you which one has a higher predicted click-through rate. I might upload 2 designs, one with bold text, one with a reaction face, and see which one the tool predicts will perform better. Instead of guessing, I'm letting data tell me what grabs attention. Next, we have to take care of descriptions and tags. Once I'm happy with the title and thumbnail, I go to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐸𝐸 AI. This is where I generate the description. I'll paste in my video's main points, something like video about AI tools for YouTube growth in 2025, featuring Spotter, Runway, vidIQ, Clap, and Predis. 𝐬𝐮 takes that and writes a polished description complete with SEO-rich keywords. And it doesn't just sound robotic. It reads like a natural, engaging summary. It also gives me a full set of tags, so I don't waste time brainstorming them. This is huge because tags help YouTube understand what my video is about, which boosts my chances of being recommended next to similar videos. Step 4 is about repurposing for more reach. Now that my main video is fully optimized, I go to clap.app, clap with a K. I upload the full video, and within minutes it slices it into smaller clips. Each clip comes with captions already added, which is perfect for shorts, reels, or TikTok. The best part? Clap actually scores each clip with a virality rating. So if I have 10 clips, I instantly know which 2 or 3 are most likely to grab attention. That means when I post them, I'm not just throwing random cuts at the wall. I'm posting the strongest possible hooks to funnel people back to my main video. So by the time I hit publish, my video isn't just sitting there, it's polished, tested, and supported by a content army. Optimized title, tested thumbnail, SEO description, smart tags, and bonus clips feeding traffic from other platforms. And that's how you stop depending on luck and actually push the algorithm in your favor. So here's the big picture. The YouTube trending page is gone. But that doesn't mean your growth is over. The new system is powered by AI. Step 1, generate your ideas. Step 2, create the video. Step 3, optimize it. Step 4, repurpose it. And step 5, stay consistent. Pick one tool from each step and try it this week. You'll see how much faster, easier, and smarter your content process becomes. And in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used these AI tools to make a full YouTube video in under an hour. So don't miss it.